In 2026, the Web3 universe is bigger and more complex than ever. Your digital wallet is your passport to this universe, but with so many options, which one should you trust? Today, we're settling the score in the ultimate wallet showdown. The all-again MetaMask, the Solana superstar Phantom, and the multi-chain challenger Rabby. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which wallet is the right fit for your crypto journey. Let's dive in. Transition. Asterisk host. Asterisk first up. The one that started it all, MetaMask. Launched way back in 2016, MetaMask is the undisputed king of Ethereum and EVM-compatible chains. If you're a DeFi degger or an NFT collector on networks like Polygon, Avalanche, or Base, you've used MetaMask. Its biggest strength? Unmatched dApp integration. Virtually every EVM-based application supports it. It's open source, non-custodial, meaning you control your keys, and offers advanced features like customizable gas fees and hardware wallet integration with Ledger and Trezor for ironclad security. But it's not perfect. The user interface can feel a bit dated, and managing assets across multiple chains isn't as smooth as it could be. Transaction simulations are a new addition, but for years, users were flying blind, making it easier to fall for phishing scams. For beginners, it can be intimidating. Transition. Asterisk host. Asterisk next. Let's talk about Phantom. Originally the darling of the Solana ecosystem, Phantom has expanded its territory to include Ethereum and Polygon, and it brought its signature user experience with it. Phantom's UI is slick, modern, and incredibly intuitive. It's designed for simplicity. It automatically filters out spam NFTs, which is a lifesaver, and its transaction previews are crystal clear, showing you exactly what you're signing. Plus, its built-in cross-chain swapper makes moving assets between Solana and EVM chains a breeze. The downside? Its EVM dApp support is still growing. While it covers the big names, it doesn't have the universal reach of MetaMask yet. If you're exploring obscure corners of the EVM world, you might hit a compatibility wall. But for most users, especially those active on Solana, Phantom offers a beautifully unified and secure experience. Transition. Asterisk host. Asterisk now for the new school innovator Rabby wallet. Built by the team at the bank, Rabby is designed from the ground up for a multi-chain world. It supports over 140 EVM chains. Right out of the box, no more manually adding networks. Rabby's killer feature is its security-first approach. Before you sign any transaction, Rabby runs a simulation and shows you the estimated balance change. It scans for known vulnerabilities and warns you if a contract is risky or has been exploited before. This pre-transaction check is a game changer for avoiding scams. It also automatically switches to the correct chain for any dApp you visit, eliminating a major headache for multi-chain users. The main drawback? It's EVM only. There's no native support for non-EVM chains like Solana or Bitcoin. It's also the newest of the three, so it's still building its long-term reputation. Comparison screen. Asterisk host. Alright, let's put them side by side. For asterisk multi-chain support asterisk, Rabby is the clear winner in the EVM world with its automatic switching. Phantom gets the silver for its seamless Solana EVM integration. MetaMask trails, requiring manual network adds. For asterisk user experience asterisk, Phantom takes the gold. Its interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. Rabby is a close second with its focus on clarity. MetaMask, while functional, feels the most dated. For asterisk security asterisk, Rabby pulls ahead with its comprehensive pre-transaction checks and risk scanning. Phantom's clear transaction previews and spam filtering are also top-notch. MetaMask have improved, but its historical lack of these features puts it in third place. Finally, for asterisk dApp compatibility asterisk, MetaMask is still the king. Its decade-long dominance in the EVM space means it works everywhere. Phantom and Rabby are catching up, but they can't match its universal support just yet. transition back to host. Asterisk, asterisk, host. Asterisk, asterisk. So, what's the verdict for 2026? If you are an asterisk, asterisk, DeFi power user, asterisk, asterisk, or a developer who lives on various EVM chains and needs maximum customizability and the widest dApp support, asterisk, asterisk, MetaMask, asterisk, asterisk is still a reliable choice. If you are an asterisk, asterisk, multi-chain user, asterisk, asterisk, especially if you're active on Solana, and you value a beautiful, simple, and secure user experience above all else, asterisk, asterisk, Phantom, asterisk, asterisk is your best bet. And if you are an asterisk, asterisk, security-conscious multi-chain explorer, asterisk, asterisk, who wants to navigate the EVM ecosystem with confidence and avoid scams, asterisk, asterisk, Rabby Wallet, asterisk, asterisk is the undisputed champion. Its proactive security features are the future of Web3. Ultimately, the best wallet is the one that fits your needs. My advice? Try them out. They're all free. Let me know in the comments which one you're rocking in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Outro music starts.